MOCA officers, supported by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, are carrying out what's being described as a major fraud investigation at a government entity. We can now confirm that that government entity is the Heart NSTA Trust, and the officers are at this hour seizing items, and arrests are expected in relation to the probe. The probe is being carried out at the Heart location in Montego Bay and also in Portmore. MOCA officers, as I said, being supported by the JCF as they're carrying out what they're describing as a major fraud investigation, and they're now at this hour carrying out search and seizure operations, and they expect that people will be arrested. So we can confirm that this major fraud investigation, the government entity is the Heart NSTA Trust. We've confirmed that with the Director of Communications at MOCA, Major Basil Jarrett, and the investigation is being carried out at the Montego Bay location and the Portmore location of Heart. Before 5 this morning, the officers of MOCA, assisted by the JCF, swooped in, and they're carrying out search and seizure operations, and they confirm that they expect that arrests will be made. We'll be joined by Major Jarrett at about 7:45. As you can imagine, he's trying to stay on top of what's happening right now. This operation was launched just about 2 hours ago, 5 in the morning, and they are now carrying out search and seizure operations, and they expect that arrests